Welcome to Welted Ware. This channel features my perspectives on shoes that are crafted using a welt, meaning that there is some degree of stitching done to assemble the upper leather to the sole of the shoe. Welted shoes traditionally have a longer lifestyle because they can be resoled, and became a strong interest of mine back in 2019 when I started to discover that more traditional cemented shoes were poor fits for both my style, aesthetic, and comfort. Welted shoes on this channel include a wide range of high-end menswear and rugged workwear, including work boots. My particular interests center more around style and fashion than true function, so keep that in mind when you're reviewing my videos. I feature a wide range of brands, including more traditional Goodyear welted brands such as Carmina, and less well-known but highly regarded individual or small group craftsmen who are making shoes by hand, including hand welting, hand-stitched outsoles, and hand-lasting processes. I think you're going to enjoy these videos. I wish you to stick around, browse through the channel, and you might find something that you like that might inspire your own future purchases. Please leave a like, comment, or subscribe to my channel if you have a chance, and I hope to see you in the near future.